defeat a similar proposal last year.
The more that we restrict the ability to use these items, there's less options for officers to take action.
Damon Kurtz is vice president of the Peace Officers Research Association of California. He says these weapons are effective when protests turn unruly, and they could ultimately save lives.
We want to be able to protect the public. At the same time, we want to make sure officers are safe doing so. Trying to find that best mix of tactics and equipment is always our goal.
He adds law enforcement is willing to meet at the negotiating table. Cynthia Burr is a professor at Wayne State University and says efforts to restrict the use of crowd control weapons spread across the country last year.
There's initiatives in at least 10 cities, 7 states, including Virginia, Massachusetts, Colorado.
Some call for bans on items like tear gas, while others look to increase training. Burr says the protests in 2020 offered a unique opportunity for lawmakers to examine use of force policies.
To be honest, this is the first time that we've seen such a widespread use of these rounds in the U.S.
As the reform debate unfolds, Fouché Connor says he wants to play a role. He's just not sure whether wearing a badge is the answer.
I don't hate law enforcement, obviously, because I wanted to be part of them, but this needs to change. Is me being part of law enforcement really helping it change? Or is there something more I can do?
He says it's a question he asks himself every day. For NPR News, I'm Scott Rod in Sacramento.
This is NPR News.
11 minutes now before 8. Can you believe it? 1 year ago tomorrow, the first U.S. case of COVID-19 was confirmed in Washington state.
According to the CDC, the patient is in his 30s and traveled in November to Wuhan, China.
And we'll take a look back to the start of the pandemic with a nurse who cared for that patient. And that's in the first segment of the 8 o'clock hour of Morning Edition. Stay right here on WJCT News.
The University of North Florida combines high-quality academics with real-world experiences. Through more than 100 unique programs, students pursue their dreams while preparing for high-demand careers in the global marketplace. Uniquely UNF. More at unf.edu. The Florida Department of Health, making healthy tomorrows possible with the right vaccines today. The protection vaccines provide is universal, defending against disease from infancy through old age. Protection begins at thepowertoprotect.org.
Temperatures right now in the upper 30s, low 40s around Jacksonville. Sunny this afternoon, reaching the mid-60s today. The World Golf Championship in Mexico City is moving to Florida. The PGA Tour sent a memo to players Friday announcing the move. It's mainly a result of the COVID-19 pandemic that has put restrictions on travel. The tournament is set for February 25th through 28th at the Concession Golf Club in Bradenton.
Today in music history from Anthology, January 19th, 1966, Simon & Garfunkel released Homeward Bound. I'm David Letkin. You can hear Simon & Garfunkel on Anthology on the WJCT app and 89.9 HD3 almost every day.
If confirmed, there will be a new sheriff in town protecting the finances of consumers.
Marketplace Morning Report is supported by the United States Postal Service, offering postage stamps for purchase at more than 40,000 supermarkets, drugstores, office suppliers, and wholesale clubs. And by UKG. Ultimate Kronos Group offers HR solutions to connect modern workforces. UKG.com. Our purpose is people.
I'm David Brancaccio. The incoming president of the United States is expected to nominate Rohit Chopra.